Good morning. How was your morning routine today?
Good morning. I woke up at 7 a.m., had breakfast, and went to work. And you?
I woke up at 6:30 a.m., had a quick shower, and had breakfast.
That's great. What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and coffee. How about you?
I prefer cereal and a cup of tea to start my day.
Sounds nice. So, what time do you usually go to work?
I usually leave home around 8:30 a.m. How about you?
I leave home at 8 a.m. to avoid traffic on the way.
Smart move. What time do you finish your work usually?
I usually finish work at 5 p.m. And you?
I finish work at 6 p.m. Do you have any evening activities?
I usually go to the gym in the evenings. How about you?
I like to relax at home and watch some TV shows.
That sounds relaxing. What time do you go to bed usually?
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m. How about you?
I try to go to bed by 10:30 p.m. to get enough rest. Hey, I am having computer issues. Can you assist me in fixing it?
Sure, what seems to be the problem?
My computer won't turn on. I am not sure what to do.
Have you checked if it's plugged in properly?
Yes, it's plugged in correctly. Still not working.
Have you tried pressing the power button?
Yes, several times. It's not responding at all.
Let's try holding the power button for a few seconds.
All right, I will give it a try. Nothing happened though.
Maybe the power cord is faulty. Have you tried using a different one?
No, I haven't thought of that. Let me find another cord.
Take your time. We will see if that solves the issue.
I found a different cord and plugged it in. It's working now.
Great. I am glad I could help you fix your computer.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your assistance. I want to travel and experience different cultures. What about you?
Same. I dream of visiting Japan and trying sushi.
That sounds amazing. I also want to see the Eiffel Tower.
Oh, Paris. I had loved to try French pastries there.
Me too. And I hope to learn Spanish in Spain.
Great idea. I want to learn Italian in Rome.
That's fantastic. Let's make our dreams come true.
Continue learning English? Click on this video here. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and practice your English in the comments below.